To troubleshoot a Santander remortgage, start by understanding the remortgage process and the common issues that may arise. Remortgaging with Santander involves switching your existing mortgage to a new deal with the same lender, which can help you save money on interest rates or release equity from your property. First, check your eligibility for a remortgage by reviewing your current mortgage terms and conditions. Ensure you have a good credit history and are up to date with your mortgage payments. You can use Santander's online remortgage calculator to determine how much you can borrow and what your new monthly payments might be. If you encounter issues with your remortgage application, check that you have provided all the necessary documentation, including proof of income, identification, and property valuation. Verify that your application form is complete and accurate, and that you have signed all the required sections. Another common issue is a decline in property value, which may affect the amount you can borrow. In this case, consider getting an independent valuation of your property or exploring other remortgage options with different lenders. If your remortgage application is delayed, contact Santander's customer service team to check on the status of your application and to ask about any additional information they may need from you. You can also use Santander's online tracking tool to monitor the progress of your application. To avoid common pitfalls, make sure you read and understand the terms and conditions of your new mortgage deal, including any early repayment charges or fees. It is also essential to consider seeking advice from a mortgage broker or financial advisor to ensure you are getting the best deal for your circumstances. By following these steps and being aware of the potential issues that may arise, you can successfully troubleshoot your Santander remortgage and find a deal that suits your needs. Remember to stay informed, plan carefully, and seek help when needed to ensure a smooth and successful remortgage process.